Hello and welcome back. This is CSIR UGC NET 2019 June Physics Solution. We will be solving problem 15 and 16 out of the 55 problems in physics. So all the problems till 1 to 14 are already solved and are there in the playlist in my channel. So let's start. So the question goes something like this. Which of the following is not a correct boundary condition at an interface between two homogeneous dielectric media? So n cap is the unit vector normal to the interface, sigma and js are the surface charge and current densities respectively. So we know that when the boundary is between the two dielectric media, tangential component of electric field is continuous across the boundary, okay, and the normal component of electric displacement is continuous across a charge free boundary only. So we know that the d1n minus d2n will be sigma. So out of this we can see that the A is the correct option here. It is not the correct boundary condition. This is quite simple. You can just score 3 marks in the exam. Okay, let's go to the next problem. Here we have the permittibility tensor of a uniaxial anisotropic medium in the standard Cartesian basis is this, where epsilon naught is the constant. The wave number of an electromagnetic plane wave polarized along the x direction and propagating along y direction in the medium is. So generally students freak out when they see this kind of a question, but this is quite easy. Just for a reference, I will show you a chart showing the different optical symmetry, crystallographic system and dielectric tensor. The question have asked about the uniaxial crystal. You can see that here we have N0, N0 and Ne. Similarly, you can see that these two values are same and this is Ne. So these are the form of uniaxial anisotropic crystal. By the way, this looks like very complicated problem, but it is not. So how will you solve this? It is said that the wave is polarized along x direction and propagating along y direction. So how should we proceed? We can write that E is equal to x cap E naught e power minus k y cap, right? It is propagating along the y direction. So this is propagation and this is the polarization. So it is polarized along the x direction. Okay, let me erase this so that it is easy for us to just follow. And then what we can do is, we know that k is equal to omega naught mu naught epsilon, and we know that epsilon equal to 4 epsilon naught here in this case. So we can just plug in k equal to omega root over mu naught 4 epsilon naught, and then we can write it as 2 omega root over mu naught epsilon naught, which is equal to 2 k naught, because we know that k naught is equal to omega root mu naught epsilon naught, right? So k equal to 2 k naught. So the correct answer is option B. Hope you guys have learned something from these two problems. If you do, kindly do subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, give a like and comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back in my next solution video.